Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Subaru Forester brake pads. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a reliable jack, 2 robust jack stands, and a lug wrench. Make sure you have your new brake pads and some brake cleaner on hand. Begin by safely lifting your vehicle using the jack, then secure it firmly on the jack stands for stability. This crucial preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Now, let's remove the old brake pads. Start by locating the 2 caliper guide pin bolts, usually found on the back of the caliper, and loosen them with a wrench. Once the bolts are out, carefully slide the entire caliper assembly off the brake rotor. Remember to hang the caliper securely using a bungee cord or wire, preventing strain on the brake line. Finally, remove the old, worn brake pads from the caliper bracket. With the old pads out, it's time for the new ones. Before installing, you'll need to compress the caliper piston. Use a C-clamp or a specialized piston compression tool to push the piston fully back into the caliper body. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Next, insert your new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they sit correctly. Finally, carefully slide the caliper assembly back over the new pads and the rotor. To finish up, reinstall and securely tighten the 2 caliper guide pin bolts. Double-check that everything is snug. Now, mount your wheel back onto the hub, hand-tighten the lug nuts, and then carefully lower your vehicle to the ground. Once on the ground, fully tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This seats the new pads and ensures proper braking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.